Narinig mo na ba ang katagang, live life to the fullest? Are you really living a fulfilling life? Masaya ka ba sa pang-araw-araw mong buhay? Are you having this everyday routine of waking up, going to work, going home, going to bed, and then you repeat the whole process all over again? Aminin man natin o hindi, karamihan sa atin ay ganyan ang lifestyle. Marami kang gustong gawin ngunit hindi sapat ang iyong panahon? O baka naman hindi sapat ang iyong budget? Isang beses ka lang mabubuhay sa mundo. Bakit hindi mo sulitin at enjoyin ang buhay mo? May dalawang option ka para kumita ng pera. It's either magtrabaho ka o magnegosyo ka. At alam mo ba kung anong mas maganda sa dalawa? Here in One Goal, we're offering you a chance to change your everyday routine. An opportunity to start your own business wherein you can spend just your spare time or even full time if you want. I'm not just referring to those who are working. Pwede ka dito even if you're a student, a housewife, an employee, or even a businessman. Opo, mga kaibigan, kahit ano pang profession mo, may natapos man o wala, at kahit ano pang ginagawa mo sa buhay, pwede ka dito as long as meron kang time. And by the way, we're not going to ask you to give up in your everyday routine or your work. All you have to do is to try. Hindi ba wala namang masama kung iyong susubukan? Maliit ang investment, malaki ang kitaan, at hindi mo kailangang ubusin ng iyong oras. Hindi ba't kung bibili ka ng franchise ng Minute Burger, gagastos ka ng 535,000 pesos plus 30,000 pesos working capital? Hindi ba't kung magsisimula ka ng kahit anong business, gagastos ka ng malaking puhunan? Or sa One Goal, you can start having your business for about 4,444 pesos only. Tama po, 4,444 pesos lang ang starting capital na kailangan mo. And you have the privilege to work at home or even in the field. It's absolutely your choice, and we're going to provide you all the backup that you're going to need. Baka ito na ang opportunity na hinihintay mo. Kung interesado ka, panoorin pa ang ibang video na nandito sa website. Panoorin kung anong klaseng mga produkto ang ino-offer ng One Goal sa'yo at kung paano ka itagamit ang mga produktong ito.
Created using Powtoon.